Hi, my name's John from Uvoice, and today I'm going to show you the Uvoice PBX app, which runs within your Teams environment. So to recap, to get to the Uvoice Teams app, you just will find the app on your left sidebar of your Teams. And when you click it, it's going to bring you in and you will just select the Uvoice PBX tab. Chat and PBX Feature Manager are not used at this time. Once you're in, this is now the portal for your actual phone, which is either a Teams phone or some of you also have a Yailing phone on your desk. In this case, I have both. So on my right-hand side, you'll see Yailing phone and Teams connector phone. So some of the information this screen gives you is a quick snapshot of your voicemail messages, recent call history, and then it has these options on top, which we'll go over in a minute. So within this quick snapshot of the voicemail messages, you can do a quick play of the message over audio. You can have it call you at your phone to play if you want it to be private, or you can download it, or you can save it, or delete it. The other nice thing is if you want to call this person back, you just click their button, click the phone number, it'll come up call using Teams Connector by default. Or if you have a hard phone, you can switch to your Yailing phone. And when you hit call, my computer's going to beep a minute, a pop-up will show up. And when the pop-up shows up, you answer it because the system is calling you first, and then we'll call the other party. So a nice feature there, nice and easy, one-click dial. Same thing with any of the names in the recent call history. Like the 200, 224 in our environment is local callers, so this will actually do the same thing. I'll click it here, and it'll be a Teams to Teams call or a Teams to desktop phone call. I've switched over my screen to what the PBX portal would look like for actually one of the Symmetry users. Everything underneath this orange or yellow bar up here would be what you see in the portal. So I am right now what they call masquerading as a user, so that this is what Casey Dillon would see, or most basic users on the system. So again, no, because this is a new person, no messages, no recent calls here. So I showed you that in the previous video. What we will show you is how to set up your voicemail greetings. So when you go into the messages button, this is where you will see new voicemail saved or deleted. And you could go into your settings, and you're going to want to record both a greeting and your recorded name. So to record your greeting, when you click the pencil, you have three different options, okay? You can use our new speech to text feature. So you type the message, hello, ... with what you want, and you can pick a voice out of the list. John is nice. I like John. John's my name. And you can hit play and it'll play it, and you can like it, you can save it, and you can just say my voicemail. Then you can create more. That'll be your vacation voicemail, or if you want to play a different greeting for whatever reason, out of the office, you can have multiple messages here, and then you can toggle them. So you can use text to speech. Upload is not that popular because you have to create it on your computer in a certain format, but a simple record is also nice because it can call you at your phone. So when you have call me at 2067 and you hit call, it's going to call you at your Teams phone. So I just canceled out of that so that that wouldn't happen. Same thing with your recorded name. And the recording name option will work pretty much the same. You can do text to speech, type your name, pick your information, or do a record where it calls you. Either way, you can get your name recorded. You also have the option here with the fax button to just send a fax. You won't receive any faxes inbound here. You don't have your own number, but you can send a fax. And here it gives you the ability to compose a little cover page, This is a test. You can browse for a document, find the document that you want to send, type in the phone number, and hit send, and it'll shoot off the text, to shoot off the fax, and you'll get an email confirmation back when it's complete. You also have the ability to look at contacts. Now, a little different. There are actually two ways of seeing contacts. You definitely have the Teams way, where you can look at the contacts in there and they can tell you what they're doing. But it will also show you, if you happen to be in the portal and you want to see if somebody is available, you can see them here with the green dots. You can add contacts for your own personal contacts if you want, speed dials for external people. But again, things that you will probably be doing in Teams instead. The only other thing you might want to look at, again, if you want a more thorough review of your call history, is this reporting, because when you click reporting, you can see your history and you can change the date. You could go back in time farther and your report should be longer with more history. So it gives you a good long-term history of your phone calls. So that concludes the portal training. I hope you enjoy using it. And if any questions, please let us know. Thank you.